Number 9. A manufacturer reported that its brand of washing machine uses an average of 20 gallons of water per cycle. So let's stop just a second. What does that mean? Does that mean that every time I use this machine to wash a load of clothes, it's going to use an exact 20 gallons? Not a drop more, not a drop less. No. It's saying that on average, you'll use 20 gallons. Sometimes it's going to use a little more than that, and sometimes it's going to use a little less. But in the average, you can expect about 20 gallons of water. If a dealer, the manufacturer claims the average of 20 gallons. If the dealer receives a sample of 6 washing machines, which of the following would most likely be true about the number of gallons of water per cycle used by each washing machine? So before I even tackle that problem, I'm going to come down here. You know I like to draw things. So I'm going to draw myself a washing machine. Oh, that's pitiful. But it'll work. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it. Let me do it this way, because I really want you to think through this with me. This is important. There's no math to do here. This is about good old-fashioned reasoning. So let's put 6 of these down here. Let's not do that. So I'm the dealer, and these 6 washing machines come in. And maybe I decide to put this to the test. Maybe my job is to test the washing machines and see if the manufacturing claim is actually true. So I open up all the boxes and I put the washing machines out and I run a load of laundry. Is this first one going to be exactly 20 gallons? It might not. We don't know. We can only say that it's about 20. And this one is about 20. It may be 19 and a half, it may be 22, but it's close to 20 gallons. I would not expect to get a 40-gallon load here unless the machine is messed up. So each of these, I would expect to get about 20 gallons for each load. So which of these statements is going to be most likely true? A, each washing machine will use exactly 20 gallons. No, my picture tells me that's not true. It's not going to be exactly anything. So let's eliminate that one. Each washing machine will use no more than 20 gallons. Well, let's think through this. What if the picture looked like this? 18, that's about 20. 19, that's around 20. 20, 20, 21, and 22. All of those could be true, and we still would have an average of 20. So could I say that one of the machines will not go over 20? No, because that could still happen right there in that given scenario. So this is not the choice I'm looking for. Each machine will use no less than 20. Well, if that's true, what about these 2 guys? That could certainly happen. So that is not the answer that I'm looking for. 2 of the washing machines will use exactly 20 gallons. 2 will use more than 20 gallons, and 2 will use less than 20 gallons. That's what my picture is showing. But can I be certain that any one load will be exactly 20 gallons? That would be very unlikely. And remember, this is saying the most likely to occur. So I don't like that one, even though my picture resembles that one. 3 of the washing machines will use more than 20, and 3 will use less than 20. That of those choices is the more likely thing to occur. Maybe 19 and a half, maybe 20 and a half, something like that. So I'm going to go with answer E. This is just a reasoning problem. And you have to know that average means approximately about this much, not exactly this much. When it's an average problem and they're talking about exactly, I get a little bit nervous because averages are not usually associated with exact occurrences.